In the previous episode, we talked about how we can get whatever we want. We decided to write all of our wishes. I also wrote my wishes with you. I did this with a pencil because the pencil is from nature itself. The pencil includes main elements in it. It is alive. Think that when you are writing your thoughts with a pencil, water, earth, fire, and air have come together to execute your orders. See your writings powerful. Because they are. You want and you command the universe to bring them to you. This is not a joke. It is reality. You can attract whatever you can imagine. Love them and believe in their realization. Have you ever wanted a cheeseburger? When you think about it, do you feel the smell and taste of it in your mouth? I bet you will eat it at the first opportunity. Do you know why? Because you know you're eating it. You believe it. You can feel its taste right now. You are familiar with the feeling of eating a cheeseburger. There is no reason not to eat it. You send this order to the universe and it executes your order in unexpected ways. Don't ask how. This is a law. As iron is attracted to magnets, the vibrations we emit reach out into the universe and it quite intelligently brings back similar vibrations to us. Achieving your dreams requires exactly the same path. You must believe in the fulfillment of your wishes and love them. First of all, love yourself and consider yourself worthy of getting them. Maybe you wish to have your favorite car, your favorite house, good figure, healthy body, high income, ideal job, and etc. How far are you from them? Give a number between 1 to 10 as the distance from each of your wish. We will return to these numbers later. Now repeat these sentences to yourself several times, maybe even 100 times. I deserve the best. I will not leave it until I get my right from the world. Repeat all this to yourself while you are only focused on your dreams. Try to do this exercise every day. If you can write these sentences in your own language every day, you can be sure that it will be more effective. After doing this exercise, ask yourself at the end, do you feel a change? Has your feeling changed a little compared to before? Review your wishes again and read from your writing. Have you felt better than before? Motivation and love, gratitude and being thankful have the highest positive vibration in the universe. Love what you have and be grateful for them so that the universe will give you the same feeling. Believe in their fulfillment. You may not know how this is going to happen. How can you achieve your dreams? Why haven't you reached them yet? Maybe in your mind you justify yourself every day in such a way that you are not able to achieve these dreams. Maybe a sense of despair will come to you. Maybe in deep down, you don't consider yourself worthy of them. In fact, our mind has a comfort zone. Always afraid of change. To protect us, it likes to keep things the same. It forces us to stay in the current situation. Our subconscious mind has limiting beliefs. Since childhood, according to the events that happened in our life, what others said, public opinion of the society, and etc., we have created beliefs for ourselves in our subconscious mind. We cannot eliminate them until we think about them and identify them. When you think about your dreams, write down the negative and limiting thoughts that come to your mind. Ask yourself why you can't reach them. What prevents you from achieving your dreams? What feelings prevent you from reaching them? Why didn't you get what you wanted? Who but you can fulfill your wishes? What is the difference between you and those who can achieve their desires? To be honest, you yourself know very well that there is no difference between you. Stop making excuses and blaming others and circumstances. The only person who can change your circumstances is you. Nothing will change unless you want it to change. You are the creator of your dreams. You, if you want. I repeat again. You, yourself, if you want, you can achieve anything. This universe only understands vibration, energy, and feelings. Treat it with its own language. It is your beliefs, your feeling of hopelessness and doubt that prevent you from achieving what you want. Our goal is to work on these beliefs. Identify them. And destroy them. I want you to read again from your writings. This time with a new look. With a different feeling. with faith in their fulfillment, with full power. Don't forget that you, each and every one of you, deserve to get your wishes. But as long as you want. After reviewing your wishes, pay attention to your feelings. If the score you have considered has changed, write it down. I want you to repeat this exercise for a week and watch this video again. In the next video, we will talk about new methods and new techniques. I promise you that you will get everything you want. If you still don't believe me, check out these videos. You don't lose anything. It only takes a few minutes. But be sure that a big change will be made in your life. Thank you for watching this video. Be careful with your thoughts. If you have a question that I can answer, please ask me. I wish you wonderful moments. I love you all. Until another video.